So today we're going to be using mental math techniques to solve two different problems. So we're going to use the associative property first. So our associative property is defined as A times B times C is equal to A times B times C. So with the associative property, we do not change the order of the numbers, we just change the parentheses. And we do this to make multiplying easier because, as you know, in order of operations, we multiply the parentheses first. So you'll see that in the problem we're going to do. So our first problem is going to be 7 times 80. So because we're using mental math, we want to decompose this 80 and make it easier for us to solve out. So we're going to do 7 times 8 times 10. So as you can see, we just decomposed that 80 because 8 times 10 is equal to 80. So now to solve it, we're going to first use the associative property in our next step, which is 7 times 8 times 10. Okay, as you can see, we move the parentheses from 8 times 10 to 7 times 8 because we have to do the parentheses first. So 7 times 8 is 56, and then times 10. Okay, 56 times 10 is 560. Okay, and then as a reminder, this is here is where we use the associative property. As you can see, we did it all out here. So we decomposed the 80, made it 8 times 10, moved the parentheses using the associative property. So we could do 7 times 8 first, make it simpler for us. So 7 times 8 is 56, 56 times 10 is 560. So the next strategy we're going to use is the distributive property. So the distributive property is defined as A times B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So as you can see with the distributive property, we distribute the A to the B and then to the C, which gives us this. So our problem today is going to be 6 times 17. So, like I said, we're using mental math. We want to decompose the 17, make it easier for us to solve. So we have 6 times 10 plus 7. Right, so 10 plus 7 is 17, just decomposed it down. So now we're going to use the distributive property. So 6 times 10 is 60, and 6 times 7 is 42. So as you can see, we did it up here. There it is. Distributive property. Note it. So now all we have to do is add up these numbers. 60 plus 42 is 102. And there we go. That's our problem all solved out.